What is up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. In today's vlog, we are starting it off with something different. Me and Justin are actually going to be hunting for some car parts, which is actually not car parts. You guys are probably gonna see in a couple of minutes what we're gonna be hunting for. If you guys follow me on Instagram, me and Justin actually went on live and opened these car parts, and we actually got some decent car parts, and hopefully we find the rare car part that we were trying to find all along, and hopefully we actually find a decent amount of, you know, these car parts. But yeah, we're at Justin's house right now. I'm just waiting on him, and hopefully we'll get on the road. But yeah, me and Justin are going to be heading to Placerville, which is going to head towards South Lake Tahoe. And then once we hit Placerville, we're gonna hit a location there, and then hit the locations back going home. Hey, what the? This guy is funny, man. Hey, what are you doing, man?
Hey, no, I need a haircut, man.
Hey, what the?
I need a haircut.
Hey, we all do need a haircut, man. Hey, what the?
Hey.
Are you funny, man?
Oh, there you go. Yeah, much better. Hey, man.
Hey, how you feel, man?
Yeah.
You think we're gonna find some car parts over here, man?
Hey, yeah, man. I finally going turbo, man.
Oh, nice.
Yes, sir.
You think we're gonna find something good or what?
We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
Only time will tell.
You're right. But yeah, me and Justin gonna go find some car parts right now, and we'll be on the road right now. Yeah, first stop, second stop. Hopefully we find something good. Hey, how's the drive, Justin?
Hey, hold on.
What the?
Oh, much better. I slept the whole way.
Oh, nice.
I hope you didn't do anything to me.
Hey, what?
I kind of feel weird right here.
Hey, what the? You funny, man.
What you been doing to me?
Hey, what the? You funny, man.
Hey, man, call 911.
So, we just went to Target, and bad news, we did not find anything. They fucking cleared the whole fucking shit over there, bruh. So, sheesh. On to the next Target. Alright, guys. So, second Target was a fail. Nothing really was there.
Hey, you know what was there?
So,
White.
Hey, don't leave me. Third Target did not meet our expectations. That shit was done for. She was completely sold out, bruh. So
Trash.
we're on to Walmart, and then we're gonna get some food real quick, and then we're gonna go find other Targets, and then hopefully they got some. Yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, so we finally got it. We've been driving all around town just to get this. And what we got, Justin? We got food. Let's go.
We went all around town just for Chipotle.
I know, bro. Fuck.
Oh, hell no.
Don't give up yet, Justin. Let's do it. Come on, man.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys. So, look what we got here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we got it. I told you.
Yeah.
We got the chick.
Nah. What you mean, bruh?
Hey, man, peace out of the way, bro.
Oh, hey, what you mean, bruh?
Hey, man, shout out to all the haters,
Come
man.
on, bro.
Just because.
Just know who you are, bruh. Like, you told us we didn't get any. Look what we got, bruh. Come on, man.
Yeah,
Come on, man. Hey,
got it from Target,
Yeah,
man.
Target. Which one?
Bro, the same one.
Same
Laguna.
one, bruh. Come on, man.
Go back. Hey, man, if you want some, if you want a copy, to go Laguna Target, man.
Yeah, come on, bro. That hella. Well, there was like 12 of them. We took one, and that's it. But you know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. We didn't want to spend too much, but
Hey, hit us up in our DMs. We will show you the spot, bro.
Yeah,
we
spot.
hit all of them.
Yeah, we basically made all 10 of them, put it in every single like department of Target, so you don't have to find out and see.
Hey, man, check the diaper department, bro.
Check the diaper.
Hey, we hid one right behind the diaper.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we're gonna go head home real quick, and then let's see what's in there. All right, y'all. So we're about to open this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys probably already watched it. But we're going to be opening the box, and yeah, hopefully we get something. I'll probably post the highlights in the video here, but yeah, let's get into it.
Hey, shout out to Laguna Target.
Laguna Target.
Laguna Target. All right, let's go. Oh, what the? Oh my, what? Dude, look at that shit.
What the? All trainer cars?
Oh, hell no, bro. Got 4 trainer cars. Hella gay. Oh, that means it's gonna be good, bro.
It has to be good.
Oh, what the?
Same one, bro. We got the same one. Bro, we got the same one, bro. Oh my. Oh,
I'm about to say.
Right. Oh,
Oh, that's full art.
Yeah, full art, bro.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah.
I'm hella weird, bro.
What's with all these trainers, bro?
What the fuck? Yeah, elegance. Oh, oh, that was pretty cool. I'm ready to get sharper, bro.
Alchemy?
Bro. Yeah. Hey man, don't tell him that we got it from Caleb, bro.
Hey, what? Who? Caleb Ho?
The dude from Facebook Market, bro.
What you mean, bro?
Yeah.
Boy, Caleb Ho,
Yeah, shout out to Caleb Ho, though.
Hey, what the?
Oh shit! Turn it off.
You're kind of louder now.
Hey, man, this guy a header guy now, man.
Oh, smells like headers. Smells like no cat, man. Hey, when I rev it, I have a supercharger. Look.
Hey, do it again.
Oh, I heard that.
That sounds good, bro.
I heard it, bro.
Hey, that sounds good, bro. Wow. The header guy, man. Hey, Billy, what kind of headers are these?
Skunk 2.
What? Shut your old header. Hey, $300 OBO. You know what I'm saying?
I know what I got.
Shut up.
Light on it, light on it.
Two-step, yeah. How's the headers, man? How's the header install?
Honestly, I hated it, man.
Oh, what's the hardest part for you, man?
It's just too long. The hardest part was that the person who installed his stock headers, dude, they stripped the fuck out of the primary O2 sensors, and that's the most important one. So yeah,
Dude,
that is bad, bro.
dude, that's fucked up. I mean, shit. I mean, whatever works.
Works, you know. The only thing is,
Yeah, whatever works.
he has to, if he's gonna pass smogging, he wants to pass smogging, put those back on. He needs to put the old one on and keep the old O2 sensors. He needs to buy new ones for those ones. He needs to keep those old ones for these. Yeah.
Bruh. Would you ever do this again?
On the lift, yes.
Yes, not on ground.
On the lift, yes. On the ground, oh man.
But would you take off this and put your stock one on again?
Yes, when I pass smoke. That's gonna be the easier part, I feel like. I probably shouldn't
When you do it again, bro, you gotta bring a lift, bro.
We buy one.
Cause man, you need to buy one for this.
Oh, yes. No, you got one right here, fool. Right here.
Oh,
Just park your car right here, boo.
Yeah, you pretty good, man.
Like this.
This guy got fun.
How you feeling, man? How you feeling? You like a new man? Like a fast guy?
No,
No? What?
nobody's better than anybody.
Shut your...
Grace Civic once said that, right? Right, T?
Gray Civic?
Yeah, that's true. I got poop, man.
Again?
They don't know about it.